Hello my loves, welcome to November's studio vlog. It's the 1st of November today and oh my god, I can't believe there's 2 more months of the year that I need to cram in all of this work. I'm not only feeling it in my own personal ZEKE brand, but all the graphic design stuff that I do as well, I'm feeling it there. This week I am running incredibly behind on my art stuff. I do have 3 commissions that I need to do, 1 group show, and then in December I have another group show. I really want to try and get 4 tarot cards done before the end of the year. So I'm gonna try and work on this piece today, which is like a little quick skull piece. I've already gessoed it and primed the canvas and put a little wash over it just to like have something like a little base to build upon. And then I've also transferred this on with transfer paper. I'm not gonna do a time lapse of this one just because I do have a few commissions coming up, so I just don't think I need to do a time lapse of every single piece that I do, but I will show you guys in the vlog. Okay, so that's where I'm up to so far. I'm really liking the color palette. I originally planned this piece, or this like furniture hexagonal thingy, I don't know what it's called. I originally planned it to be pink, obviously, because like that's the reference that I have, but I'm more feeling like a orangey tan kind of color, so I've got like fruit flies all over the place. I also want to show you guys this thing over here. I got some enamel pins made, and yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got like, oh yeah, you can see it here. It's got glitter in the main base of the elephant, and yeah, I'm pretty pumped on it. This pin is based on one of the creatures from my Aisha and Friends painting. Yeah, I'm planning on kind of having a Pokemon style, gotta collect 'em all, gotta catch 'em all kind of vibe with these. So, you know, if these go well, I'll definitely be making some more creatures, and yeah, I guess kind of a thing to like collect all of the ZEKE creatures. This should be up on the shop already by the time this vlog goes out. It's mid-November now, so I haven't been vlogging all that much. The last couple of days have been a little bit unproductive for me because I've been living my life and enjoying my life. The last 2 days anyway. My friend is in town for the Lousying show, so we just hung out with him, and we are, well, today I'm going to ship out these pins. Yeah, if you grabbed yours, thank you so much. I'm very excited to ship these out, and yeah, I'm just pumped that people are loving them, and I hope they all arrive to everybody safe and sound. Hopefully by the time this video comes up, you guys have got yours. Yeah, comment below if you grabbed your pin already. I'd love to see like, yeah, who out there has them. Tonight is the Lousying show, so I'll try a vlog, but I can't promise anything because I kind of just want to like, you know, talk to people and live my life. But yeah, a bit behind, but I'll talk about all the other future work that I need to do when the time comes. But for now, let's pack. Okay, so I've just finished packing. That's all the orders over there. I think one of the biggest batches I've ever had, which is, I don't know, I'm so grateful for it. It's just awesome. Thank you so much, guys. It means like, yeah, the faster I can sell things, like I'm not so out with money. So yeah, it's good. Just about to break even with the pins. So yeah, really, really grateful. It's awesome. So I'm going to go to the post office. I need to pack all of these up in my very fashion green grocery bag. So let's go do that. I just want to separate the Australian orders with the American orders. So I'm going to put them in this bag. At the moment, I have like way more international people than like local Australian people. So it's kind of crazy that like, I don't know, that my art is like getting to people overseas. It's just, and you know, like majority of it is from overseas as well. It's kind of wild. Yep, really very, very aesthetic and visually pleasing. Hi guys, I just finished doing my sketchbook tour video of like a very old sketchbook from a couple of years ago. That was interesting to go through. Lots of good concepts, bad executions. I think that's what we can come to. I just want to show you guys that I got some new plants. I have wanted like a plant that can like drape over eventually. So that's why I got this little guy over here. And I also got one of these Pelias that I need to repot so they can grow. And I need to find a home for this new plant too. So yeah, I feel like eventually the whole room's just gonna be filled with plants, which, you know, I'm not mad at. Just finished the sketchbook tour. The video is gonna be late, but that's the price I pay for enjoying my life. So yeah, I'm gonna edit that now. Then tomorrow I need to sketch up a idea for a commission piece, and I also need to try and whack out a commission piece, another commission piece. So that's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good week. Okay, so yesterday I finished this piece here. Pretty happy with how it all came along. Because it's a piece that's just, you know, like one subject, there's nothing else around it, very minimal kind of piece. Felt good to just be able to hone in on that. Bit of a challenge, just because I have been doing like much more complex compositions, like with this piece recently, with the tarot card stuff as well. And I just, I didn't know if I was, you know, like good enough to do just like a single subject piece, but I really like it. I think this would look amazing in a home. I'm just about to photograph it, and I'm gonna take some photos like behind the scenes and take some photos of the paint that I use as well, and I'll be making a blog post with that. There's also a little doodle late at night that I did, and some like, I don't know, I found that I was doing a little bit of mark making here, which I found was kind of interesting. I felt like I could do something with putting some pen down and then watering it. Hello. I didn't record an outro for my November vlog. I just want to let you guys know that I didn't finish 2 commissions. They're incredibly late. I'm having a lot of trouble like managing my time. I think the problem is that I can't say no to anything. I don't want to say no to anything. I'm a one-person operation here. I can only go as fast as I can go. Didn't finish the 2 commissions. I am currently working on those now. So they will be in my December vlog. So I didn't show 2 things in my November vlog. Design work, I never show you guys that stuff. I think it's really boring. I also pretended to be a photographer this month. One of my graphic design clients I also do social media management for, so I went out and took a bunch of photos for them, and I had to shoot a model and everything. That was really awkward. I also did a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. That was really spontaneous. Basically the night before I was like, I'm gonna do this sale. So I packed a lot of orders for that. I didn't show you guys that. I don't think that's particularly interesting. I just want to tell you guys what happened. Hopefully December I'll definitely finish the 2 commissions, and I will finally be able to work on some tarot card stuff. But before we go, I have a question for you guys. Is a vlogmas something you would be interested in? They're not gonna be as aesthetic as this. It's probably gonna be like very straightforward shoot and point kind of footage, really showing you kind of day-to-day sort of stuff. Yeah, I was thinking of maybe doing those as like a bonus video for December. I'm not sure yet, but let me know what you guys would like and if that's something you are interested in. I feel like in these vlogs, I'm so busy showing you guys physically what I'm doing that I don't get to actually talk about the industry all too much, or like how I'm actually feeling in that moment. So let me know. I've got a long playlist of vlogs now, so you guys go watch them. I've almost got a whole year's worth of art vlogs. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, go watch those and I will catch you guys in the next video. Love ya. Bye.